What is up guys, my name is Chase. Welcome to another unboxing video. I finally decided that I was gonna join Amazon Prime and holy moly, come to find out that there is an Amazon Prime for students. Another example of when college pays off, kids. So anyway, this is just my box of Amazon Prime Day stuff. So this thing here is actually gonna be a birthday present, so I'm gonna have to hide this. Yeet. Okay, so first off here we have an Echo Show 5. This was $50, usually goes for a price of $90, so that was a pretty good deal. Also in this box, we have two other boxes, which I'm pretty sure I know what they are. These are actually 12 port extension cables. I've been meaning to get something like this for a while now. Like, I've been running out of space to plug stuff in. Here it is, 12 freaking ports. This is huge. And I love it. That's what she said. So yeah, there are a total of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oh, I thought there were 12. I guess there's only 10. Whoops. So we have 10 wall plugs, and then we actually have 4 USB ports. So that's really cool and convenient. You can never have enough plugs. Anyway, let's get to this because this is the only real piece of technology that I got. To be honest, the reason I even got this was just because I've been meaning to get a clock for our living room for a while now. I know this is more than a clock, but you know, how can you go wrong? Wowee. I'm really impressed with Amazon's packaging nowadays. I'm really just impressed with Amazon in general nowadays. Okay, so here is the Echo Show 5. Wow, it's tiny. I honestly wasn't expecting it to be this small. That's also what she said. But yeah, it's really tiny. But just for comparison, I don't know, here's my iPhone 10. It's basically about the size of the iPhone 10, and you know, there is a bezel, so the screen is probably, yeah, it's probably smaller than the screen on the iPhone 10, so just for comparison. The front of it is the size of the iPhone 10. Inside here we have papers and whatnot, but we do have a plug in here, so cool. So let's open up the Echo Show 5 now. It has this really nice mesh backing that I'm a really big fan of. I know the Google Home has it. I don't know, I love the mesh backing here. It looks really nice. So on the top here we have 3 buttons. I'm guessing these two are volume. I have no idea. Oh, this one must be to turn off the Alexa and the camera stuff. And then this one you can actually slide and it physically hides the camera, which is nice. I'm really glad that these tech companies know to put that nowadays, you know? So what do you say, let's plug this in? I don't know, see what happens. This isn't the best looking shot, but you know, you gotta work with what you got. I'm honestly really excited. I don't know, I'm really interested in this device. I'm really interested in all the AI devices nowadays. Naturally the next step would be to put a screen on it. So I love these ones with the screens. Here we go guys. Are you excited for the future? Cause I am. There it is. Look at that tiny screen. I'm really liking this small screen. It's gonna be really good as a clock, which is basically what I bought it for. So yeah, the screen doesn't look too bad. If I had to guess, it looks maybe 720 at most. Maybe even 1080, I don't know. My point is, it looks like it's a fine looking screen. Alright guys, so 10 years later, we finally have our Echo Show 5 up and running. So the first thing that I will say is that, yeah, it looks nice as a little clock. The one thing I do want to do is, apparently you can turn off these Alexa tips and whatnot. Let's see what kind of clocks they have too. Ooh, I like this wood one. That looks pretty nice. Well, I think this one's the winner for me. That's pretty dope. I like this. Alright, anyway guys, I don't know, this was just a quick little unboxing and setting up of the Amazon Echo Show 5. Let me know in the comments if you guys got anything for Prime Day. But for now, my name is Chase, and I will see you again soon. Bye!